Okay, so today's video is just going to be me talking, no fancy video footage or anything like that. I'm not in my studio at the moment, but I just wanted to share something with you which I thought was really important and something that I've noticed over the last year. If you're struggling to get noticed in the trance scene, then I would highly recommend doing this. About a year or so ago, I decided to make music solely for myself, not for labels, not to please anybody else, not to fit in with anybody else. And I decided to just make music for myself. The funny thing around this is, by going against the grain and making music that I solely like, I have noticed a higher engagement in my music, a lot more interest, a lot more private messages, comments, shares and stuff like that on social media, because I'm simply trying to do something that isn't out there. If you're constantly trying to just copy other people or try to fit in with certain labels, you're just going to be in a sea of music that sounds like everybody else. So although going against the grain sometimes might feel like, you're not fitting in, it can quite frankly do the opposite, and you can end up finding yourself some really good fans that love your music and will stay loyal to your music, rather than just fans that are just liking your music because it sounds like everybody else. So to do this, I'd really ask yourself, what is it that you like about the trance music that you're making? And go with that, because it's going to make your best music. Sit and spend some time creating some sounds that you've created yourself, find a signature sound for yourself. Spend some time saving these presets and using them in tracks so that people can distinguish your tracks from other people. Try different bassline patterns from other people. Try different synths or sounds and not your typical ones that you hear all the time. Try different arrangements. All these different things are going to help carve a much better music career for yourself, and also just let you stand out from everybody else. So my message for you today is to go against the grain, go with what you love, and just enjoy the music that you're making. With this, you will start to see the success and you'll have those true followers. Thanks a lot for listening.